My dogs, it's pretty hard to explain. They 3 years ago I wouldn't have known how to take care of a dog. I just Meg, my girlfriend at the time, Meg, and now she's my wife, had brought me a dog named Riley, and he was kind of a handful as a puppy, but he's pretty special to me now. I didn't know if I could handle it at the time, but now it just kind of seems like an everyday thing to see my dogs when I get up in the morning and take them outside or bring them in at night. It's hard to imagine not having them around me all the time. I miss them already.